Hi, welcome to Hardy Classics on a freezing cold Sunday morning, and today I want to show you one of the cars we've just took in the garage for some, well, it's for sale, but we've took it in for a bit of gentle recommissioning, and it's probably one of the best value cars that we've had in here for a long time. It's a 1938 Humber Super Snipe. There's the Snipe badge, and look at it. Look at that car. It's a 1938. It's Pulman bodied. So when you look at the car, you get in through there. Stunning, beautiful car. What knocks me is people who keep saying the pre-war cars are out of vogue and they're not good value for money. Pre-war cars, let me tell you, are the best value for money classic cars you're ever going to get. And they're on the rise. They're not on the bottom, they're coming back up. They've been down, but they're coming back up. And the reason I know that is because the last 3 or 4 we've sold have all gone abroad. They know abroad what's happening, and it'll happen here, it'll go up again. But this car, for probably the same amount of money as you would get a Morris Minor for, is just superb value. Right, let's have a look at the car. So we'll start round the front here. Bodywork, you might notice the windscreen wipers are missing, we've got some new ones to go on. Bodywork wise, she's beautiful, absolutely beautiful. She's been painted at some stage in her life. Underneath, she is absolutely immaculate. Stone cold immaculate. As you can see, it's maroon in colour. Originally this car, the first owner was the guy who invented the Nobel Peace Prize. It was their car, and then the car, we think, went to work in the Second World War as a staff car. It was painted black then, and then it went from there to a film. It was painted grey, and then it's gone to this lovely maroon, which really suits the car. Fault wise on the car, there's 1 or 2 bits of micro blistering. If you can have a look around here, a little bit on this wing. There's a few little bits of chips here, you know, bodied chips. But I mean, it's a 1938 car, and I think looking at it, you'd have to be there with a fine-tooth comb to look at it and see those faults. I mean, how can you value a car like that? How can you say that's the same price as an Austin 7? You can't. It's crazy. It's nuts. Absolutely nuts. Look at the styling on it. Amazing. The headlights, the chrome. Right, let's have a look inside. Right, we'll start with the back. There you go, absolutely stunning. It's been retrimmed at some stage. Obviously, it's got the glass divider there, so if you want to stick your mother-in-law on the back, or your wife who's on the menopause and you can't be bothered to talk to her, whack her in the back there. There's some old newspapers in the back of the car when we got it. You'll notice that's Winston Churchill. He had one of these cars, not this car, but he had one. There's a load of old newspapers. There's loads and loads of old literature with the car. Photographic evidence of when it was restored and previous owners. And the car was actually in an auction in 2016, and the auction estimate on this car was around about £24,000. So that tells you the value for money in this car. Absolutely amazing. There's the front. Again, done in nice leather. No rips or splits or tears. Carpets are nice. Headlining's really good. Again, you've got that divider if you want to not bother speaking to anybody. Tyres are brand new. Apparently these tyres were brand new fitted to the car, so the tyres are new. Underneath the car, like I say, is absolutely fantastic condition. Got these lovely big chrome headlights. Engine bay, let's have a look at the engine on this one. There she goes. We fitted some stops up there. There you go. That's the 3.8, and apparently this is a rare engine fitted to this car. It's a 3.8 straight 6, so it's ahead of the job. It'll pull for fun. Again, you know, for the same money as a Morris Minor, where you'll be absolutely flogging yourself stupid driving, you've got that beautiful smooth 6-cylinder engine. It's unbelievable, really. Value for money. Right, we'll have a look in here. Again, same scenario as that. That's your handbrake. You've got a handbrake on these on all 4 wheels, so your handbrake's on the same circuit as your foot brake. Again, we'll have a look in here. There you go. What I like about a car like this is its history. It's, you know, who sat in the back of that car and what lives have they had. You know, obviously it's been in the Nobel family, so, you know, who sat in that? It's also been in the war, so who's been in the back of it? You know, now it's landed up here with us, so that's the downside, I suppose. Looking around the car again at the back, chrome's good, everything's nice and square. Just a lovely, lovely car, absolutely lovely car. Stunning, stunning car, and like I keep saying, buy one now because they're never going to be as cheap, and they're going up. They're going up. So there you go. There we have it. The Humber Super Snipe for sale at Hardy Classics. Right, let's start her up then. So there you have it. The Humber 1938 Super Snipe. Better value than an Austin 7, a Morris Minor, Morris 8, any of that. Here for sale at Hardy Classics. Bye bye now.